Alright, Rissa, you're about to go rappelling.
Hey, what's up?
You're about to rappel down a 300-foot cliff.
That's right.
How do you feel about that?
Jump up, are you kidding me?
You're not at all concerned?
Are you kidding me?
I think that jaguar back in the cave might scare you if he comes out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Weren't you having really bad allergies?
My allergies are always bad. Yeah. Wouldn't think it would happen in a cave, but
Oh yeah?
apparently allergies don't discriminate on geography.
Guess not.
Hey, now I can go. Woohoo!
Bye,
See,
camera.
this is called a figure 8 right here. Right here.
Are you guys on your honeymoon?
There it is,
Yeah.
right there.
No, you don't give us step up.
There's our awesome tour guide. What's your name?
Kendra.
Miss Tour Guide Kendra. Would there be any chance I could just jump down and not have to worry about the rappelling?
Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm
There's
just
a
kidding.
cliff at the other side. When you hit, you just roll. You asked, right?
Don't die, babe, please.
Place your hand on the other side.
Oh, here she goes. Woohoo!
What's up?
Oh, it's not that far down. Nope.
Nah.
There you go.
Thanks.
That's it.